I hear the Lord is saying, Bishop, oh my tabush. As I see the cloud, the Lord is saying there is a rain that is coming. Once you see the cloud, when the rain is coming, you must know that your blessings are coming. Once you see the rain, you must know the blessings coming. The blessings. Lift up your hands. Lift up your hands. Open the floodgates of heaven. I hear this. Open the floodgates of heaven. Just sit down, Bishop. Just sit down, Bishop. Bishop, please sit.